Hello, today we're wrapping Christmas gifts. I didn't crochet that many Christmas gifts this year, but I still wanted to add a little crochet touch to my presents. So I made these little flower ribbons to place on my gifts. I have a tutorial for bag charms, so if you wanted to create a different charm at the end of your ribbon, you can go ahead and watch that. I'll link it in the description box below. But this will only take you 5 minutes to make, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I have my gift here and my yarn. I've decided to use this blue one. It's Abbey Road from Spotlight, and I'm using a 4mm hook. So go ahead and start with a slip knot. Look at my nails. That's not very festive, is it? Insert your hook though and go ahead and chain 6. And this chain is actually going to be your first petal. So if you want bigger petals or smaller petals, just adjust the size of this chain. But I'm doing 6. You're going back to this first chain and you're going to do a slip stitch. Chain another 6. And going back into that same first chain with a slip stitch. And these are your first 2 petals. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this until I have a total of 5. Alright, and here is my little flower. So now you're just going to continue making a chain as long as you need it to be able to wrap around your gift. Alright, so here I am with my chain and my flower at the end. So for me, I just kind of want it to go on the side just as a little accent, but if you need it to cross over and go underneath and then come back across again, you're going to need to make this chain longer. But for me, I just kind of want it to be like this. So from here, go ahead and chain another 6. And in that 6th chain away from your hook, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, take a slip stitch. Chain 6, or however many your petal has been. Slip stitch into that same 6th stitch and repeat this until you have a total of 5 petals. Alright, I've just completed my flower, so I'm going to go ahead and chain 1, cut my yarn, pull through tight. And then I'm going to go ahead and weave in these tail ends. And here is my little completed flower ribbon. So now all that's left to do is tie it around my gift. And that is it, you guys. That is your 5-minute personalized crochet ribbons. And I actually ended up making a bunch of these in different colors so that I knew whose gift belonged to who. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.